It's an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj for class 4. Subject EVS 2 Science. Topic Air and Weather. Hello children. Today we are going to begin with the new chapter Air and Weather. In this chapter, first we will study different layers of the atmosphere and then what are sea breezes and what are land breezes. So let us begin our class. Atmosphere is the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. It contains 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen and 0.9% argon. In addition, it contains water vapor, carbon dioxide and traces of other gases. Layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere consists of 5 layers that are held in place by the Earth's gravitational force. The troposphere is the lowest layer where we live and which contains 90% of the air in the atmosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It contains ozone layer that protects us from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet rays. The mesosphere is the third layer. Most meteors burn up in this layer. In the fourth layer, the thermosphere, temperatures range between 500 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius. The exosphere is the fifth and the outermost layer of the atmosphere, where several satellites orbit the Earth. With this layer, the atmosphere merges with space. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. The higher we go above sea level, the thinner the air in the atmosphere becomes. On very high mountains, the air is too thin to breathe in comfort. Although we cannot see air, we feel it when it moves as wind or as a breeze. A strong wind is known as a gale and very strong winds are known as storms. Storms that are accompanied by thunder as well as lightning are known as thunderstorms. In coastal areas, the direction of the wind changes depending on the time of the day or night. During the day, the land becomes hotter than water. The hot air rises up and is replaced by the cool breeze from the sea. These are known as sea breezes. During the night, the land cools down faster than the sea. As the hot air over the sea rises, this is replaced by the cool breeze from the land. These are known as land breezes. I hope children, you all have understood. Thank you.